Hi guys, we are back with some more drawing tutorials. So we just did a few drawing tutorials, I'm pretty sure 2 days ago, but I'm going to do a few more. Like last one we did Dio and Rhino. We're all going to do another Marvel character, not a Star Wars, not a DC, not anything else. We are doing Nick Fury. Let's get started. We're already 40 seconds in. First, let's draw the head. Simple. I'll zoom in and you can see a tiny bit better. And I'm going to arrange it. Good. And then, let's go to the eye patch. You should watch the Captain Marvel MCU movie. If you find out how he lost his eye in the MCU. And you probably think it's from battle. Nope. It's actually in a funny way, but I'm not going to tell you how. He has his jacket. I did that for a certain way. Those aren't his arms. That's like his jacket. And then I'm doing that to look like that. That's not completely down. That's like his shirt. And that's like the jacket over it. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, link that bell, and comment below. You know, like the virus is happening and no one is having like play dates or going to school. We think this is getting filmed. But you said a few weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, you just made Lost in Space. I'll tell you how I made it with my cousins. Well, I got Messenger Kids and I called them. And then we can make that awesome video series. I was in calling it a long time, so we didn't make with Super Cousins yet. And same with like when I starred Sebastian and Elliot for the ninja movies. But since the Stuffy team versus the Pokemon team and Minecraft blowing up villages and all 4 Tom movies, those were actually with my friends. No Messenger Kids. Comment below who is your favorite character from the MCU or comics. The MCU is like the Marvel movies, like Avengers Endgame, Avengers, Ant-Man, Ant-Man and Wasp, Spider-Man Homecoming, Spider-Man Far From Home, Iron Man 2, Iron Man 3, the new Black Widow movie. I'm going to do Black Widow soon because in November, I'm pretty sure they couldn't make it forward, but I'm pretty sure they are going to release the new Black Widow movie. And I'm going to draw Black Widow on the release date. So, and I really liked some of like the newer. I really like some of the older MCU movies, and I like a few of the newer ones. My favorite of the newer ones might be Spider-Man Homecoming. That was a funny movie. And Spider-Man Far From Home. Both Spider-Man movies. But I like some of the old movies the best for the MCU. Not really old, because this is like the 12th year for the 12th year for MCU. My favorite new one is Captain Marvel. I really like Captain Marvel and the two Spider-Mans. But I really like and then I'm also kind of Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. Because that came out when Spider-Man Homecoming came out. But I also like Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 1 a lot. I really like Avengers. I really like Doctor Strange. I'm not kind of that new. I'm trying 2017 new, not 2016. This is taking long. Yeah, next one is a long guide to cover. I thought it'd take super short, like what the liner took. I didn't really like the Thor movies. I only watched a half hour of Thor Ragnarok, but it was pretty good for the stuff I watched. But Thor 1 was better than Thor 2. Because in Thor 1 you see Destroyer. But in Thor 2, I forget the name of the bad guy. But I just never knew who he was, so I didn't, it was actually kind of boring. Oh, I showed you the villain in my YouTube channel. Remember like when I showed you all two of the DLC packs in Lego Marvel Superheroes? Not my new ones from Lego Marvel Superheroes 2, but Lego Marvel Superheroes 1. And remember I showed you like that guy with like a white face and also a black face? That was the main villain. I forget his name. Or in Lego Marvel Avengers, you can unlock Destroyer, but you have to battle him in a boss fight. That is my Nick theory. Subscribe, like this video, ring that bell, and comment below. Bye!